Transparent animals are living right under our noses in the deep ocean. Glass frogs with see-through skin show their beating hearts, clear butterflies flash rainbow wings, and invisible squids glide through dark waters undetected. The wildest one? The ghost shark, with a body so clear you can read a newspaper through it. These living glass creatures aren't science fiction. They're evolution's way of playing hide and seek. Nature's ultimate magicians have mastered invisibility while we're still working on card tricks.